there are a lot of creative desks in studio, but my desk is bland compared to everybody else's. Laptop, the Joby, some maps from earlier, notebook, the camera, and that's just my back wall. I need to add some photos or something, make it my own. So we all get these desks. These desks come with locks and things, so we can lock up our stuff if we need to. I have water in there so far. Another case of water there. Just my laptop charger, some notebooks, paper, and some pencils. My desk is terrible this year. Screechy. I have this long like document drawer. That's not my drawing. I mean model. I'll pick that up later. And so this fits large documents, like maybe this is 18 by 24, so it fits that well. So it probably fits what, 48 by 28, something like that. This was just like another storage bin or thing for, you know, things. Book bag, and that's about it. Like I said, on Fridays, I really don't do the usual typical Friday, you know, go out, celebration. No, I don't do that. I haven't done that in quite a long time. Maybe, you know, here and now, my first couple years in school, but now it's just like, I gotta get ready for Saturday. Because Saturday is always, gotta get it done day. And today I had 2 quizzes this morning, and then I had to get things done for studio, and studio is always a doozy. And today, our professor, he gave us the coach's speech. He just said, you know, after you leave this program, you're going to be in a competitive market, and you gotta be prepared to go after things that might be outside of your experience, and also you'll be above other people that's below you. But so just stay ready and be efficient.